So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Trust FX. I'm Prasad, and in this video, we'll be talking about the next week, the upcoming week analysis and some key events this week. Let's get started. First thing, it's a trade tool website. You can check the probability of frequency, rate more, and many more things about the Fed. The major countries in the next FMC in 16 days it's 12th of June. That uh, most there are 49% probability that trade may cut rates from 25 basis point and which is which are holding in months and the the bank not central banks but the institutions and the speculators were expecting the first rate cut in June. And so it will be a um, interesting and um, volatile month. We can let's say with the dollar. And the ticket may start from the next week. First, we'll just jump on the week ahead. Um, So, yeah, see the outlook. Take the moment. So, week ahead, US inventories will be closely monitored from PC price index. um, personal consumption expenditures, price index, personal income, and spending and speeches by several Fed officials. Also, the focus will be on the second estimate of the Q1 GDP growth, corporate profits, and CV consumer confidence, in home sales, and future home price index. Globally, attention will be on the inflation rates for Germany, the Eurozone, Euro area, France, Italy, Spain, Poland, Austria, and Netherlands. GDP growth rates will be released for Switzerland, Turkey, India, and Canada. Unemployment rates will be reported for Euro area, particularly Brazil and Mexico. We have to care about it because we are just looking for our major currency. Our this we are trading, right? And sorry for interruption. Also, the key indicators to watch include Germany's GFP Consumer Climate Indicator, and China's NBS Manufacturing and Services PMI. What is NBS? National Bureau of Statistics, Manufacturing and Purchasing Manager Index will be released. Currently in Japan, the focus will be on the Governor UDS opening remarks at the conference hosted by the Bank of Japan, alongside the release of the of data for consumer confidence, the Tokyo CPI, retail sales, unemployment rate, and industrial production. So, lots of major data will be released this week. And firstly, on the with Japan US dollar, if the Feds continue to hold on off on the interest rates for interest rate cuts due to the modest relief in the inflation pressure. It could foster confidence in the US dollar. Market see the Fed cautions approach as a sign of economic stability. Um, this can uh, lead to increase the demand for the dollar, right? Overall, this could shape investor sentiment towards the US dollar with cautious yet optimistic outlook, depending on how inflationary pressures evolve and when how central banks perform. Confidence in the dollar stability and Federal Reserve policy decisions will likely play a significant role in its value in the dollar. Now, like said, that with PC and with index, GDP data will surely remind the rates with possibilities like uh, with the data comes more than expected with the inflationary pressures on the Fed and they might cut interest rate, but all about the um, like combining all the factors. So we cannot bet on the like like the, 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 the US dollar performance may also be influenced by developments in other major economies such as Eurozone and China. So now Eurozone, we are like we'll jump on it, but like Euro area, it's European Central Bank is looking for first. They are not gonna, as they have been saying from couple of last month, like they are not gonna wait for Fed to cut first. They are monitoring their economy as per their economic factors like inflation patients and the GDP and unemployment rates in the Eurozone. And with China, like last, last few days of him, we have G7 with the great place of pressure on the China and President Biden like will will jump on it, but so, and any significant changes in inflation, GDP, or monetary policy in these regions could affect investor sentiment or the institutional sentiments towards the US dollar and contributes to its movement in the foreign exchange. Now, overall, it could be immediately due to the university data release and upcoming week. So yeah, I personally will prefer you guys to remain cautious, get ready to act uh, decidedly, 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 sorry. If the USPC and GDP data aligns with the narrative required, yeah. So, sell off in gold past period, but still I'm bullish on gold because like like Israel and Iran's traded attack, 11% or 11% about all uh, war in region laid down the impact and significance of Israel, uh, sa- saying on Monday that Israel and this is a necessary response and state. geopolitical factors too, uh, that are creating volatility. And you guys can read the Japanese about the construct much around $10 million building reports with the poison kind of narrative. Yeah. So daily chart of two and technically by 20 current level, but nice demand one here over here like always mm, some liquidity with it. So I can either with this liquidity or grab this liquidity or uh, back or click out from the trend line. Like simple trend line, yeah, this trade with price was it. Yeah, can look potential buying on board and still release on board the as we discussed, trade can cut the first interest rate the first interest rate in June and who knows like it's all about probability so we go with now probability and take it with okay so yeah that's dollar 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 has been quite volatile this week as know the result um, what are spending for to see driving index slightly better forecast. But yeah, I want to clear one thing if you guys follow the fundamentals. So whenever we look at in this for example, it seems yeah, they will have whether one day. Okay, um, uh, whenever we look at the Excel number, so how would you figure it out or get that? We should know that where still still higher than expected or lower than expected or prior numbers. Now forecast prior numbers are two different things. Like in this scenario, you guys can see in 20th of March, the previous number was the retail sales month on month number was 1.1%. Okay. The forecast was below the um, prior numbers, right? 0.4. Actual number what came was 0.3. So it came negative 80 basis point by for forecast and the actual by forecast it came 10 basis point lesser, but from the prior number it came 80 basis point less, right? So um, this data release would have been impacted on Australian dollar. quite heavily, right? So yeah, this was a simple thing. Hope you guys understand this. Okay. So now the in the dollar scenario, as last video, I explained that I I can create some liquidity over here. So as we said, created liquidity. Now this is we got a daily like hanging man. If I call it, it's whole body being covered by this Friday daily candles. And yeah, I feel that start um, the keep this bearish momentum and break the zero the 104 100 level. You can further down or in the dollar or um, at, sorry, as we discussed earlier, we can there are many different classes of they can continue their first interest rate in the June, but like we um, cannot even stay on that or in the whole data shows match the central policymakers narrative as well as your which we were about second year three four that they are still very rationally to work the data to align with their mandate target with this target. AUD, as you guys know, most of the video, yeah, driving it, like I that planning to hold this subscription, or I don't see any reason to cut it out because, yeah, I have some negative facts dollar for individual country. US currently imports of Australian poultry on per to year. So the restriction like the products linked to the state of Victoria decision comes after the VN2 strain detected on the farm. So now this has been quite not minor, not major, but news. It's created some sort of panic. Mm, not give up confidence. They- Yeah, the Department of Agriculture when both of the both Europe from Victoria State will be detection of out- outbreak of avian flu. So this might be, but that video of what take that I will be training myself for the intuition keep going to work on Monday. Yeah. Yeah. And the and then the when executed this trade or miss the opportunity that day, can still with the tries or the trade and still sitting in the buy of dollar fifty US dollar. So You guys can check previous video. Like I have explained the whole fundamentals and the short to long term narrative on this script. So yeah, we are I it's I'm not looking to, but obviously EUD, right? I thought it key reason clearly and first when like you guys can check last video like discussed about the EUD video that can see the Australian government promised to spend billions on housing programs as it price to ease mounted products against the chronic shortage of work. Uh, tapping needed 1 billion to 5 years to build defense systems and combat English English someone doing 1 billion for infrastructure like roads and roads, $1 billion package with clear government. What there was time for the next RBA with the consular interest rate will has run dramatically since the release of 40 interest rate elastic market price. Given that interest rates will be lower, but now it is back on the table. Even the situation has moderate speed up the regulatory with the market. It's increasingly expecting the rate to put minimum popular tax on cash rate to let so yeah. So there are 40-50 hike versus hold chances in the Australian dollar economics. So rate hike not possible. First rate but possibility that also there are no signs of RBA cut the stress from 2024 to which in like that countries European board European Central Bank Executive Board member Pyro you know, like, said the time is right for an interest rate cut in June, echoing comments on the day earlier from governing council member of Fabio Panca. So European ECB like to cut the to exactly in setup for which there is some sort of lagging between the two economies. Hold rates till 2025, and the other hand, we have ECB to cut rates in June or July. Then for what is the what is that? One is looking rate, one is holding rate. Uh, So now this lag can be um, varied as by starting euro against even Australian, right? Because what will happen if the obviously the euro will will get um then right, and if RBI for gold rates but later for the okay, $1 billion with strength. So I will go from Discord with this man in these yeah the 4.5% biggest biggest CPI was RB%. So I interest numbers become unchanged for 3.5%. But relatively, if we look at the China trade deficit, like in the April, the bad numbers in cost of feet particularly. So I think it can impact on the inflation, like in the one for 1.5 past. Yeah, Theoretically, we are fundamentally and technically we are mm, varies. Okay, so you guys can plan your trade accordingly and your nice integrity zone, which is 160 tips, then 240 tips, to 500. This can be a good trade about guys with your video for putting the thoughts UAPUD like and read this. Right? DPY kills from like I have not made it DPY video all like like you all can see how volatile and willing to develop here. So, like the feeling with the just feeling that yeah, unless there might be a good one like at the time. Let's see what the governor um, was told their view and what he thought sell of the US USD GPY or like the from GPY perspective, it's like next thing, but best in plan, they don't lose this like the game is quite there. Doesn't give or fighting uh, guys, this was weekly. I don't want to take it more than 10 years, so that's very difficult for me. Yeah, we will see in the next video. We'll be seeing you will make Friday levels. Stay tuned. And bye. See you next video.